Hi everyone, we are going to present our problem-based learning, which is 138 paramentatriene.
1,3,8-p-mentatriene is a major compound in essential oil from mint plant in the family of Apiaceae and Lamiaceae. Parsley, or its scientific name as Petroselinum crispum, is a plant from the family Apiaceae that usually used as herbs and flavor in cooking. Another herbs and vegetables in the family Apiaceae including the parsnip, celery, dill, carrot, and etc. Parsley, which has 5 petals of small-scale yellow greenish flowers and green leaves, is a straight-up plenty-branch plant extending to the heights of 0.8 meters. It is generally cultured as an edible herb and is extensively grown in Europe and Western Asia.
Problem statement. What are the synthesis pathway of the 1,3,8-p-mentatriene compound from the simplest hydrocarbon? What are the extraction process of 1,3,8-p-mentatriene from the parsley, which used as herbs, and the effects to human body? Objectives. First, to determine the synthesis pathway of the 1,3,8-p-mentatriene compound from the simplest hydrocarbon. Next, to study the extraction process of 1,3,8-p-mentatriene from the parsley, which used as herbs. And lastly, to study the effects of 1,3,8-p-mentatriene on human body.
The first part of the discussion is the synthesis pathway of 138 paramentatriene. Firstly, limonene compound with molecular formula of C10H16 will undergo hydroxylation to form trans-isopiperetanol, which carbon-hydrogen bond will oxidize into carbon hydroxyl bond. After the formation of trans-isopiperetanol, water is eliminated by an endogenous dehydratase, traces of acid or heat, thus resulting in the formation of the desired compound, which is 138 paramentatriene with molecular formula C10H14 and water molecule.
For the extraction process, there are 3 types of it. Firstly, maceration. It is conducted at room temperature and consists of immersing a parsley in a liquid inside an airtight container. This process can soften and break the plant's cell wall to release the soluble phytochemicals. After 3 days, the mixture goes through filtration process to get the desired compound. Next is ultrasound-assisted extraction. Basically, this process uses a vibrating ultrasonic probe to cause the cell wall to rupture and release the desired compound. Lastly is microwave-assisted extraction. It uses microwave energy to warm the solvent in contact with parsley to take out the 1,3,8-p-mentatriene from parsley.
For the effect of 1,3,8-p-mentatriene on human body, as parsley has many applications such as perfumery, ornamental cropping, food and pharmaceutical industries, these are linked to the beneficial health effects of the essential oils, which contain antimicrobial, antifungal, insecticidal and antioxidant properties. 1,3,8-p-mentatriene can affect human body in a good way, as it is a volatile compound in parsley, which confers the characteristics aroma. Essential oils able to protect the cardiovascular system by preventing lipid peroxidation, lowering triglyceride and cholesterol levels, and raising the blood pressure. In short, the 1,3,8-p-mentatriene, a type of phenotropin compound that can be synthesized through hydroxylation reaction, where carbon-hydrogen bond oxidizes into carbon hydroxyl bond and water is eliminated by an endogenous dehydratase, resulting in the formation of 1,3,8-p-mentatriene with molecular formula C10H14 and a water molecule. It undergoes 3 processes, which include maceration, ultrasound-assisted extraction, and microwave-assisted extraction. 1,3,8-p